What's up everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you are quite new here in my channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I keep my inner thigh clean and uniform complexion. Like literally my inner thigh is the same thing like my skin, my face, my neck, my body and all of that. So how you can do that, that is why I am sitting down here to show you. And the things I'm gonna be showing you is actually quite natural, simple, effective and easy to get. So okay, so if you want to know all of those things, do continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let us walk into this video. Your inner thighs, tone and uniform complexion, we're going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato contains a lightening property which helps to lighten up the skin, and it also helps to maintain an even clear tone skin. It helps to reduce the size of the follicles, which in turn make the skin really smooth. Okay, so this is how we're going to be preparing this, guys. I'm going to be cutting the tomato oh my god, into two, and this is it. It looks really nice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be creating the half cut of the tomato while I keep this half. Alright guys, so if you don't want to create just like me, you can actually blend it, okay? So after that is done, then I would have to be transferring that into a bowl, and then I would have to be mixing it up. I'm going to be making use of sugar. Now sugar contains the smaller granite particles which helps to scrub out the dead skin cells from the skin. It helps to leave the skin evenly youthful and toned, and it also makes the skin super young. So it's going to help to lighten up and tone up your inner thigh area. So I'm going to be putting a good amount of this sugar, yeah, like literally much. So now I would have to be stirring it up, and you don't need to stir too much so that the sugar particles will not get dissolved all, yeah. And then also we're going to be making use of which is bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda helps to scrub out the skin because it contains ingredients and particles that helps to remove the darkness around the skin. Okay, so it's going to be very helpful for our dark thigh area. So I'm going to be mixing this all up with the tomato, and this is going to give us amazing results, yeah. So 1 teaspoon of that into this mix is going to be perfect. And then we'll mix it. Now we would be needing to use coffee. Okay, you can actually use your finger coffee, or you can use coffee grains, alright, to do this, and it's going to be really helpful and really great. Okay, so coffee helps to remove cellulite. In case you have cellulite on your thighs, you can use it, and also it helps to reduce varicose veins, making it work really fine, yeah. So what we're going to do now is that okay, so now I would have to open this up and then we'll put in the coffee. And we'll stir. Now it's gonna be foamy, but it is really great. Now the last ingredient which we need for this is apple cider vinegar. Now because we have to lighten up the inner thigh and make the inner thigh area really smooth and complexion, have an even complexion, we're going to be using an organic apple cider vinegar, which is very helpful for this. So we're actually going to be putting 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and the foaminess is going to really increase this time, and then we would mix it, and this is how it's going to be like. Alright, so let's go and take care of the inner thigh while we still use the tomato. Okay, so here is the treatment, and this is it, and this is the tomato. So we're going to be using the tomato, and then we're going to be dipping it inside here, and then you're going to be using it to scrub or scrub your inner thigh, just like that. Okay, so you're going to be using it to scrub your inner thigh. Now after you scrub with this, you have to press out the tomato, okay, so that it could be soft, and then you would scrub it out really well. Yeah, now if you cannot use the tomato, then you can as well just use your hand, and then you're going to be feeling your skin really well while you use your hand. Okay, so you scrub this really well, and then you wait for some minutes before you go wash it out. Yeah, you'll be waiting for approximately 5 minutes, and then you go wash it out. But as you wait, you can as well be playing with it, because the more you scrub, the more you get rid of all of those darkness and all of that stuff. Okay, inner thigh is actually the inner side, like this side, so when you're doing it, you're definitely not going to be wearing anything. I'm actually wearing something because of course you're not allowed to see that. So you scrub it this way, and then you go wash it out, and you're good to go. Okay, so basically you do this, you can do this every day, because it's actually very simple to prepare, and then you would be you would be rubbing all of these things on your skin, and then you're going to see a whole lot of improvement. And then you go wash it out. Remember to wash it out with a normal water. Yeah, it's going to be really good for you. So that's it. I just scrub it just like that, like literally most of the morning that I remember, I scrub and scrub, and before you know it, all of those dead build up of skin would just fade off, to just begin to get lighter and lighter. Before you know it, it is better, just like it's good on me right now. Okay, so if you find this video interesting, please do continue subscribing. Thumbs up. If you find this video interesting, please thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.